Irene, Sogi, Wendy, Joy, Yeti, Red Velvet, Orchestra. Now, I've listened to this for sure, but I definitely did not read the lyrics. I never concentrated on the lyrics, so this time I'm going to finally concentrate on the lyrics. So let's get it. Let's go.
Orchestra. 이 공기 탓일까 빛이가 내려가 좀 더 높여 맞춰줘 Tune to my F40 오늘이 기분은 마치 여름밤 소 위에서 느리게 춤을 추는 팝하는 눈빛으로 말을 걸다
Okay, Joy into yours, girl. Still give me chills, and I've heard this song already. Hey, Sergi. She laughed too. Ooh, okay. Red Velvet is such a good balance as a group of what I like in like girl groups too. Okay. With the drums and the percussion. Movement. Ah, so good as always. Red Velvet, so good. My God.
Hey! You better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for $1 to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.